MyLead Affiliate Program Tutorial. Make money on MyLead Affiliate Network. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you will be able to use MyLead Affiliate Network and how you will be able to start earning money. I'm also going to be giving you some tips on how you will be able to promote the different types of product or the different types of platform that MyLead will be offering to you to promote. So let's get started. To get started with MyLead, you're simply going to go to their website, mylead.global. And this is basically the website that you are going to access or going to see. And the process in earning in MyLead is very easy. So there is some step-by-step option over here. As you can see, the first step in earning online with MyLead is to, of course, create your account. As you can see, the step 1 is to create an account that you will be using and it will be free. After that, you will choose one of the 3,000 affiliate program available on MyLead which you promote or you wish to promote. After that, simply generate your unique affiliate link and you get paid for every action, for example, selling or downloading a mobile game that the customer will make. After that, step 4, you start the promotion of affiliate programs. You can promote them on any platform and I'm going to show you how later on. And that's basically the step-by-step process of earning in MyLead. So after creating your account, you will be able to now access their dashboard over here or their special panel. Basically, in this panel, this is where you will be able to access and see all the different things that you can promote and use. As you can see, there is a lot of features on their platform over here. So there is a lot of things that we could explore. Like for example, over here in the center, we have our statistics. You will be able to see your commissions for withdrawal, accepted commission, pending commission, rejected commissions, number of leads, conversions, visits, and EPC. There's also statement of earnings over here. As you can see, I have not yet earned any money because this is a first or a free account that I have just created. And as you can see, there will be some timer to the end of the day. And there's also configurations, recent commissions. As you can see, right now at the moment they have 4,976 partner program. And you could choose a program for yourself. There's also a map over here that you have. And you also have your bonuses over here. Over here on the right side, basically the PLN is your currency. And commissions approved and ready to be sent to you will appear over here. You have your pending over here on beside the available. Then you have your paid out, so you can see how much you have paid or how much you have earned. Right now, there is no online on my configuration, but you will be able to know this once you have more. And you can see your profit for today, yesterday, 7 days, and after 30 days. You can check out your leads, visits, conversions, and EPC. Over here, you will be able to see like the news, recent in the forums, and recommended. You have your chats, private chats, and tutorial. You can see your partners over here on the left side, as you can see. And over here, just like content locker that you could check out, like CPA locker, CAPTCHA locker, file locker, and many more. You have the campaigns over here, smart links, landing page. You could utilize the tools provided by MyLead as well to help you earn more. You have your statistics, community, and webmasters and withdrawal. When you select on a partner, you will be redirected to their page over here. So you could, of course, learn more about them if ever you would like to learn more about the partners that you have. And aside from that, you could check out the different promotions over here, different products that you could promote over here. As you can see, you have the hookup and for locals. You have this product over here, Simila or something like that. You can check out the configuration by clicking on the settings. As you can see here, this is the configuration. Then you could, for example, if you prefer or if you want to promote this, you can simply click on this URL and you will be able to add a traffic source over here. And you will have, or you will be able to receive your unique URL link. But you're going to have your traffic source. So after adding a traffic source, you will be able to get a URL of a specific product that you're trying to promote. And after being accepted and after having the confirmation that you will be promoting that, it will now appear on your dashboard over here or your panel, and you will be able to notify or see the different information. Now, how will you promote your product? Now, for example, we use this product over here. Now, if you have a blog website or e-commerce or any social media platform up there, the process is very simple. You're simply going to post it. An example is in TikTok. You could search the product and look for the different photos that is about this. So, for example, let's copy this. Let's copy the title. Open a new tab, paste it over here, and you will be able to see this product over here. So you can simply open this. It's in Amazon, and you could copy the description, use a voice AI or a platform that would allow you to convert text to speech, and you could make a video promoting this product. So the video or the audio would basically mention the important ingredients, the effect of this product, all of those important necessary information that could attract a customer. Then you could use Canva over here. Let's assume that I will be posting it in TikTok. So I'm going to go over here in Canva, type in TikTok, and I will be able to see this option over here, TikTok template. So I could simply click on see all, and I will be able to see all templates that TikTok has. And if I prefer one, or for example, this one over here, I could open this. I could download the photo, mainly the photo that I am going to be promoting, and you could change this photo. Let's click on customize template. Let's wait for it to load. And I could change other information. Like I said, use the description, the importance of the item, the benefits, all of those stuff. Change this photo over here. Upload the photo that we have over here. And after that, you can simply download it from Canva absolutely for free by clicking on share and this download option over here. You click on download, and as you can see, you will be able to download it as an MP4. Now, after creating a video in Canva, actually, you don't need to follow what I did. You could use other platforms. But after creating the video, you could now simply go to your TikTok or even YouTube Shorts over here, and you could upload the photos or the video that you have just created promoting that product. And you can do this to any type of social media platform. You have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that's like I showed you over here, even YouTube. You could use any social media platform that you have, and you will be able to gain some traffic if someone clicks on it. And depending on the instructions or the communication between you and the client, you could either earn money for when someone buys the product or when someone just looks at the product. But anyway, after having successful traffic, you will be able to notify it or see it over here in the statistics. You can check out the statement of earning. As you can see here, this is where you're going to see it. And you will be able to see the progress over here on the right side as well. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to earn money in MyGlobal or MyLead.global. You could utilize other features over here in the left side to help you with your process even more, such as the landing pages or even the captcha locker. All of those stuff will be very helpful to you. And that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.